So welcome everyone in this interview, part
Yes.
2, in
Part
conversation with versatile
two.
actor Ankit Madhav sir.
Ankit sir. Yes.
Yes.
Welcome,
Thanks for
sir.
that fantastic introduction. Thank you. Humble. Yeah.
So,
So let's start with the first question. Adrisha, what we have for
yes,
Ankit sir?
yes. So the first question for you is share about your journey of acting course in London.
Wow.
Oh wow.
वो तो अब एक सेशन में नहीं हो पाएगा यार, इतना बड़ा कहानी है.
Cut short.
Okay. Okay, first of all are 18 years old and plus, right?
Yes.
Yes, all are. Yeah.
Good. So I can be open about it. Cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. I would say it was a so memorable experience I had there in London. So there's an acting school called Brand Timony Acting School, and the Brand Timony is a very famous acting teacher in London. So I attended his workshop and the subsequent courses, conducted by him. It was so amazing. It was such a different experience for me. So I have attended different workshops in India, in Kerala, in Mumbai. So here, when you go to a workshop in Kerala, they mold you for South Indian film industry, right? You can act in Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, Telugu film industry. When you attend a workshop in Mumbai, they mold you for Bollywood. National level films you will be able to attend. But when you go to London or an international place, they mold you for Hollywood. They mold you for acting, or they groom you for international cinema or world cinema. So that was a revelation. That was an eye opener for me. So हम Indians का होता है ना, वो जो shyness होता है ना. So we are a bit reluctant to do certain things beyond a limit. Okay, so just an example. आजकल थोड़ा liberal हुआ है our film industry. Otherwise, nowadays we started seeing the actors smooching on screen, right, in Indian films and in Indian web series. Just to give an example. पुराने ज़माने में क्या था? I mean, just even before a couple of years back, before films में, even for romancing, there is a limit for the romance, right?
Right.
The rest we leave to the imagination of an audience. And we know how explicit the world cinema is. And they don't hide anything. It's so hardcore reality life they show you, right?
True.
And now, a person from India, a South Indian guy who's based in Mumbai, want to be an actor in his life, goes to a workshop, acting workshop in London, along with 59 other candidates from all over the world who are supposed to get groomed for world cinema and Hollywood cinema. So this is a cultural shock for me. The exercises they make you do, the acting mock auditions they make you do, it's all completely different. So that Indian cultural so-called barriers were holding me back. The first day I was struggling myself. I couldn't make myself out and open. Then I had a personal chat with Brand, and he said that, yes, I can understand. I've been to India and I know your culture. Then we had an interaction, personal interaction, and he helped me out to what you can say, to bring me out of my that shell. From the second day, I was bang on. The exercises were completely different from the workshops what I used to attend here. The basic fundamental the point they start is that for an actor, the tool is his body. For a dentist, he has got that tools in his hand. For a computer engineer, he has got a laptop or a computer as a tool. For a doctor, he has got stethoscope and other surgical equipment. For an actor, it is his body. So the first point, you need to understand your body. and mind. So the first days were focused on understanding your body, understanding your mind. Now, so this is the first step to understand your body and your mind. Now you're not acting mono, right? You'll be interacting with different actors, many actors. So it's not only understanding your body, it's understanding the mind and body of your co-actor too. So you can understand the exercises were focused on such points. So one of the exercises, do you want me to go elaborate, or you need to cut short?
No.
The question is to Aditi.
Yeah.
Because if I start explaining about the exercises, explaining about the experiences, okay, I can tell you one. I'll keep aside. I have a lot of things to talk about it. I'll mention about one particular exercises,
Okay.
Which was a shock for me.
Okay.
There were 60 people, approximately 30 men and 30 women, from all walks of life. Their age spanning from 16 years to 75 years. There were people who came to acting class after they got retired and they got family, got settled, said that abhi mujhe mera passion follow karna hai. And they were youngsters, 16-year-old girls, 17-year-old boys, married, divorcees. I mean, people from all sort of walks of life. The people from Spain, they were having Australia, from US, China. It's such a mixture. I was only Indian in that 60 people. So to understand your mind, there was an exercise which is related to your emotional balance. So he divided the group, 60 people, into two groups, 30 and 30, and you'll be assigned one pair. It can be anyone. It can be a male, a female, younger one, elder one, doesn't matter. You'll randomly just select. And you're supposed to give galis to the most hated person in your life in front of that particular partner.
Okay.
Who has been selected in front of you.
Okay.
जिंदगी में आपको किसके ऊपर इतना गुस्सा है वो निकालो. You need to be free. You won't believe, it was an air conditioned hall और लंदन का cold climate है. उसके ऊपर air condition भी था. लोग गाली देना चालू किया. People were screaming their heart out, their lungs out. People were sweating, swearing. Oh my God. इतना negativity भर गया था वो room में. We were all started sweating. And a surprising fact that I was a disaster in that exercise. Because मैं जिंदगी में किसी को भी ऐसा नफरत नहीं करता हूँ. मैं गाली नहीं दे पाया. मैं किसको भी नहीं दे पाया. अरे ये लोग ऐसा they were howling, they were screaming their lungs out. इतना गाली दे रहे थे यार. मैं कभी जिंदगी में ऐसा गाली सुना नहीं. इंग्लिश में, अंग्रेजी में. कोई अपना चाइनीज वो एक लिमिट के बाद अंग्रेजी से भूल जाते और चाइनीज में गाली देना चालू किया. स्पेनिश में गाली देना चालू. और आप जरा इमेजिन कीजिए, अराउंड 59 people, sorry 30 people, 30 were listening, around 29 people screaming their heart out negativity. What will happen in that hall? I couldn't do anything. I was just standing there looking around. Hey, ho kya raha hai? So Bran saw me and he came to me and patted on my shoulder. You chill. You just chill and watch. I can understand you. So I thought that मेरे में कुछ problem है क्या? Why I'm not able to express myself? Why I'm not able to? So then he asked me, most of you guys are so spiritually rooted. You guys are so bonded with your family and your religious faith, whether it can be Christianity, whether you are a Muslim or a Hindu. In India, basically, we are very much rooted into our religion and our family, and that gives us strength and a limit on hating somebody. We don't hate so much, right? I mean, I don't think so. So he said that's okay. So I was a disaster in that particular exercise. I couldn't perform because zindagi mein, it was a method acting. So zindagi mein, and I was happy to. So that's good. That's a good thing, that I'm not hating someone so much. So that's the reason I was not able to perform. So that was one revelation. And one more exercise I will tell you before I stop about London, a Brantiman acting school experience. Understanding your body. It was like a meditation. It's a 3-hour session. We were asked to close our eyes, and we were asked to touch our body without missing a single point on our body. वो भी इतना आराम से touch करना है, from the hair tip to legs tip. It was like a spiritual journey for all of us. I don't know how much time it has been taken. Then after that, we have been told that you are not supposed to open your eyes. You will be moved from the place where you're standing to some other place in the room. And you'll find that there will be a person in front of you, and you're supposed to explore that person's body. पूरा हॉल में ओ करके आवाज आया. So we're all, I mean, ऐसा कैसे? So मैं तो सोचा मुझे ही होगा वो नहीं, बाकी लोग भी वो कर रहे थे. Okay. So it can be anyone in front of you. It can be a man, woman, young, old. आंख तो बंद है. You cannot open your eyes. Is that close your eyes and explore the body. The same way you are explored your body, you need to explore your co-actor's body. This is to shed your inhibitions. You won't believe. It was such a. I was thinking. I was apprehensive about that. हो क्या रहा है यहाँ पे? Will I be able to concentrate? Am I a normal human being, yeah, with blood and flesh? Will I be able to concentrate on that particular exercise? I mean, I was wrong. After that exercise, me and my partner, we were crying like hell. It was such a deep spiritual exercise. We were crying for around 15-20 minutes. Not only me, everybody in that room were crying. Okay, next question. I think that's enough for today.
मेरे हाथ में
सीरियस हो जाएगा. सीरियस हो रहा है.
मेरे हाथ में गूज़बम्स आ रहे थे जैसे आप सुना रहे थे ना, लाइक मैं इमेजिन कर पा रही थी वो सिचुएशन क्या होगी, एंड बस गूज़बम्स आ रहे थे.
So, and when you were delivering that answer, a lot of questions are flooding into our chat rooms.
Yes.
Yeah, shoot the questions to me.
But before that, I just want to introduce one of the new joining, Prasad Bhausar.
Yeah.
He's working as a divisional officer, Nashik zone. Prasad, will you please unmute your mic for a while?
एक सेकंड प्रसाद.
Hi, Prasad.
Prasad Bhausar.
Hello.
Hi, Prasad. How are you?
Hi. I'm fine. What about you?
Good, yeah, good. Very good.
He is also engineer, sir.
No, a lot of engineers
I'm
today.
also engineer. Yeah.
I can understand. That's not our fault here. It's okay.
That is
हो जाता है.
yeah.
जिंदगी में इंजीनियर हो जाता है. क्या करेगा?
Sir,
I
fortunately,
took
he is
engineering
working
because
as a
of-
divisional officer.
Oh, lovely,
That's
lovely.
really-
So,
that's
so you're
really-
a proper engineer even in your job, right?
No. I'm on the government job right now. After engineering, I was preparing for competitive exam. Right now, I'm on the government job as a development officer.
So my question is, which was your branch in engineering?
ENTC, Electronics and
He was my
Telecommunications.
classmate, sir. Fortunately and unfortunately too.
I'm
Lovely.
author.
So,
I'm author also.
oh, some yeah. So I would love to listen about that. So, what type of books you have written? What's the
Actually,
genre?
I written one of the book related to the countries and the information based on the country. World mapping, actually. The whole world,
Okay.
the person which didn't know the America location and which cities are there, their importance and all these things. So I combined all the
Okay.
information regarding all continents, all the cities, all their financial, economical, and historical importance, and I put in one book. So if you can read my book, so you can get to knowledge about the whole world, and you can say the which country and which cities for what purpose they are getting it important. The main thing is that
Oh, that's interesting.
whenever someone
Is the book is available in the Amazon or Flipkart?
yeah, on the Amazon.
Oh, lovely. Please pass on the link for that. I'll check it out.
Sure, I will.
Yeah. Cool. That's good. So
And,
you're my 1, 2, 5th author for personal interacting. Yeah, good, yeah. Right,
Thanks.
good. Because I was mentioning about one of my author friend Hari Kumar in the last session,
Yes.
who's writing in the horror genre. He's a top-selling author. Then I got another author called Anand. Anand is he's my colleague in TCS too. He's an author too. So his one book has published, and he's almost finished his second book. And 2 other friends have got. They are Malayalam authors. Yeah. Good. And you're my fifth friend. Good, Prasad. Nice to meet you. Good, yeah.
Sir, you have a lot of authors in this meeting, and also one literature manager called Omkar sir, because he worked tremendously great as a literature manager for so many authors in the past.
Oh, lovely, yeah.
Because he is the brain behind authors like us. What kind of genre you need to step in?
Yeah, absolutely. And we all need guidances like that in our career. Yeah. Even Hrithik Roshan has got his own life coach to guide him in life.
Yes.
Yeah. So.
And all one as the, you can say, the sudden change in life. If you want to want to achieve some target, but suddenly you are getting some another target, and you can achieve that simultaneously.
Okay.
You have something goal with you, and you couldn't manage to achieve that goal, but destiny writes some other goal for you. That is the point.
Okay. Good. And this book is written in which language? English, right?
English. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, please pass on the Marathi or kuch language to mushkil hai. That's good. That's why I just rechecked. I can only read English, Malayalam, yeah, and Hindi, yeah.
So your first answer was
Okay. So next question आपसे ओमकार सर पूछेंगे.
Yeah,
Hello.
Omkar.
Hello.
Yeah, Omkar, please.
Hello.
Hello, Omkar.
Yeah, Omkar, I'm waiting for a question. Yeah. Omkar is
mute हो रहा है थोड़ा mic.
Hello.
Okay, अभी ठीक.
हाँ, सुनाई दे रहा है.
It's unmuted now. Yeah, Omkar, I can hear you. Yeah.
Hi. Welcome back.
Yes. Welcome back. Yeah.
Today is my first question. Something a little bit weird, or I don't know whether anyone asked you this kind of question or not.
Okay, no problem. Let me hear first.
What is your favorite retake in recent times? Hello.
हाँ मैंने सोच रहा हूँ यार, क्वेश्चन थोड़ा अच्छा है. मैं कभी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था क्वेश्चन. कोई अभी तक मुझे ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा नहीं है कि फेवरेट रीटेक कौन सा है.
जो रीटेक आपको लेने में मजा आया हो, या फिर उसको करने में अगर परफेक्ट शॉट भी हुआ है तो then you want to do it for another one more time.
That's why he joined with us.
I got it. I'm reading between the lines, Omkar. I got the pulse of your question. Okay. And I'll try to be politically correct now. Let me just that's diplomatic. Retake. No, actually speaking, for an actor, any actor who would like to be the first take actor, one take actor. Like एक शॉट दिया और उसमें and मैंने सुना है कि बहुत सारे सुपरस्टार्स है ना रीटेक देता नहीं है. मैंने ऐसा सुना है. So first shot में लिया तो लिया, that's it. They won't stand there and do that retake unless it is their mistake or some mishap from their side. Otherwise they won't allow.
Okay.
But otherwise मेरा mentality ऐसा है कि right now my mentality is कितना भी retake हो till the director is satisfied I'm ready to do it. Okay. Director is the captain of the ship, and he knows or she knows exactly what you can say, what they want. So when I think about the retake, one of the latest advertisements that I've done for the Diamond Council of India, the director, she always tells me like, okay, I got the okay take. Now you guys just perform as you like. I love that particular the way of a director giving the actors a chance to spread their wings and perform the way they want. So तो उसके लिए 2-3 चीज है. एक चीज है you should have enough time to do that. Absolutely. Time in the sense कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि ads वगैरह बहुत टाइट शेड्यूल में होता है. वो कैमरामैन बोलेगा अरे लाइट जा रहा है, लाइट जाने के पहले हमको ये शूट करना है, वो आ रहा है जल्दी. वो प्रेशर सिचुएशन में ऐसा होता नहीं है. ओके टेक हुआ, दैट्स इट. बट सम जो मजा आएगा पता है आपको, जब हमको जो वो लिबरेशन देता है, देन एट दैट टाइम वी कैन perform. Sometimes it will go to a different level. Sometimes it will be a bluff show, like in instance we'll not be able to perform the way in which director has directed us. Sometimes I'd like to show that particular ad to you. May I, Aditi?
Yes. Hello.
Oh, sure, please.
Yeah. Before showing that, I mean, I'm so happy to tell you that I've just completed the development of my website, ankitmadhav.com.
Wow, great.
Let me take this particular privilege in front of you to launch that site.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you. It's a very basic website, but it will give the details. It's the website's name is very simple: www.ankitmadhav.com.
Okay.
So Sushant, Chetan, Omkar, Chetan, Aditi, Akshay, Rohit, Omkar. So let me launch my website in front of it. My privilege. Let me just share my screen.
It's our privilege, sir.
Yes, it's our privilege.
One second. Let me just share my screen.
Yeah, please go on. Happy website to you.
Here is it. Can you see this?
Yes. We can.
Yes.
Yeah, that's great.
So this is how it looks like.
It's like.
And here, and so got a small description about my work, or just mota points. Then comes the films which I've done, which includes, I need to categorize, I yet to be done. This includes my music video.
Ask Sushant, he is an expert for the same.
Hi Sushant. Sushant, I developed this in Wix.com.
Okay.
So अभी मैंने वो सारे films ना एक साथ डाल दिया है. Like it has got advertisements, my feature films, my music albums, my short films, वो सब एक साथ डाल दिया मैंने. But I need to categorize this. Okay. All
he will help you out.
I will help you.
Great. Awesome. And some
Omkar sir want to sing something for you. Omkar sir, you were singing something in beyond this. Where is Omkar sir? Yeah, please go on. You are singing something while during the launch of website.
Yes, I was singing that happy website to you. Happy website to you.
Happy website, dear Ankit.
Okay, great.
Wow, it's amazing.
Happy website to you.
So let me just open my that particular ad which I was talking about.
Sing.
You're opening about Valentine.
Valentine.
One second. Can you see this? Can you hear this?
Yes.
I want to say something.
Start. Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. Yes, you can start.
This date is my birth date, 14th February.
Oh.
Wow.
सही है यार, वैलेंटाइंस डे में बर्थडे सही है.
Exactly.
मॉम का गिफ्ट हो ना मैं पापा को.
That was cute. Shall I play this? Yeah.
Sir, will you please narrate the story behind this ad as a commentary? Since how old this ad is?
So you could hear the ad?
Great. No.
No, just paste the link in the to everyone so that they will hear it or save it somewhere.
Oh, sorry.
No problem. I
where
saw
should
this
I-
ad
where sh- where
before.
sh- Okay.
Yes.
So it was all over in the YouTube and Facebook
Yes.
Okay.
and all. Okay, let's talk about this particular ad. So during this particular shoot, the director was giving us answering Tonka's question. She was giving us the liberty to give our own shots after the okay shot. So that was quite memorable. That was really good. So we were enjoying it. Yeah.
Wow.
Great. I'd like to add one more thing into that question.
Yeah.
Sir, it's quite tense.
What is what is your experience with working with the child artists?
No, I missed your question. Experience with working with? Your voice was not audible.
The child artist. Hello?
Hello.
Am I audible?
Yeah, now yes. Can you please repeat the question?
What is your experience working with the child artist?
Oh. Okay, I have pretty good experience with working with child artists. Like I have worked with child artists in many ads, and let me tell you, the child artists nowadays are so smart. I've done with some very popular child artists, and one of the kid, he was just I think 7-year-old, 8-year-old guy, boy, and he was. Director said, "Okay, good job, beta, बहुत बढ़िया काम किया." And he said that, "Uncle, if you want, I can give you one more shot for safety." So normally, ऐसा dialogues, seasoned actors करता है. I was just surprised. They were so seasoned and they're so professional. Many child artists have seen, and some kids they may not that day they may not belong to them. They'll be a bit cranky, and they may spoil the mood sometimes. But my 90% of experience is really good with them. And if there is I love working with them really.
So just wanted to know कि अभी तक आपने कितने चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट के साथ काम किया हुआ?
Sir, before moving to the answer, will you please turn off your screen sharing so that you will be viewable to everyone?
1 second. How will I turn off that? Stop share.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, now am I visible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. Omkar, can you just repeat your question, please?
आप अभी तक आपने कितने चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट के साथ काम किया हुआ है? Roughly.
Maybe 6 or 7.
Okay. Hello? The main question is, उनमें से सबसे सबसे ज्यादा तंग किसने किया आपको?
Have you seen my this ad? In my Asian Paint Sleek ad?
Yes.
That kid. I think his name is Ryan. Let me just. His name is Ryan. I'm just. 1 second. No,
No problem.
Kian. That was his name.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kian. 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 Yeah, he's from Punjab. That kid, he was really naughty, but he was really sweet.
Okay.
And he did a really good job with that ad. Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Yes.
और इन्होंने
It's very
पूछा था
important.
किसने ज्यादा सन किया है.
That question is very important because your co-actors are very important when you shoot. So if co-actor is a child, it's first thing what you need to do is to have a good rapport with the kid. As soon as you enter the set, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप आओ hi बोलो नहीं चलेगा. You need to sit with them, have a good rapport, develop a good chemistry because they are not matured like us to develop a matured actors like okay chemistry develop करो. For example, if you're two adults meeting in a set, chalo chemistry तो आप ऐसे if you're a professional actor you can just develop the chemistry like this. But for a kid it's not like that. You need to have that rapport. So it's always I recommend that if you know that you are going to act with a kid, it's always better to have some chocolates and all with you when you get into the set. Keep them, share some nice stories and to have a good rapport. Then वो shoot बहुत अच्छा जाएगा. Yeah.
अगला सवाल किसने पूछा है?
हाँ, अगला सवाल चेतन पूछेंगे. उससे पहले जैद आ गए तो सब लोग जैद को एक बार हाय बोल दो.
हेलो जैद.
हाय जैद.
हाँ जैद. You're mute.
हाँ अभी ठीक है.
सर काफी अच्छे शायर है, मंजे हुए.
थैंक यू फॉर द अप्रिशिएशन प्रचेतन भाई.
तो जैद को भी एक क्वेश्चन है बट पहले उससे पहले हम चेतन का एक क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. फिर आपसे जैद क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे.
Sure.
और मतलब लाइन से क्वेश्चन. एक सेकेंड. हेलो चेतन.
Yes, am I audible now?
Yes.
Yeah. Loud and clear. Yeah.
So my question is not that hard also, but I want to just know. We recently just lost two of James. हमारे दो बड़े एक्टर्स हमने गवा दिए अभी. एक ऋषि कपूर थे, एक इरफान खान थे. तो वो दोनों के बारे में अगर आपके कुछ एक्सपीरियंस होंगे तो वो आप बताइए. And the second question is, in Bollywood cinema there are two categories. One is actor and the another one is hero. So आपको क्या लगता है, हीरो ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है या एक्टर ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है?
Good question. ये बहुत it's not. I will categorize this question as a very logical question to ask at this particular time. I was intended to talk about this particular point during the end of the session to give a tribute to both of the great actors we have missed this week. So as you raise this question right now, I have to address this. This week has been really bad for us. Back-to-back two fantastic actors we have lost. It was a shock when we heard the news of Irfan Khan Saab. I will address your next question later. First, let's talk about these two actors now. Yeah. I consider both of them as actors than heroes. Even if both of them are capable enough to carry individual films on their shoulders, both of them has worked in many films as heroes. I like to call both of them as fantastic actors. Even if Rishi Kapoor Saab comes under the category of a hero than an actor because he had a very successful career as a hero. But still, he's a fantastic actor. I loved his act in Agnipath. Yeah. He has acted as a villain in Agnipath, right? Yeah. That was a mind-blowing act. Yeah. Regarding Irfan Khan Saab, I have never seen an actor who is so comfortable in front of the camera like Irfan Saab. He was at so ease, and I never seen such an actor who use his eyes so much.
Yes. No doubt about that.
You just need his one look. That's it. पूरा वो सीन का स्क्रिप्ट उसके आंख में रहेगा यार. I mean, एक look से he'll be able to make us cry, laugh, chuckle. I mean, he was a magician. और everything in a subtle note है, वो ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है, उसका चेहरा में जो इमोशन जो वो इतना कंट्रोल्ड है. So basically, we who hail from South India, being a Malayali and Kerala, majority of Malayalis or Kerala, we are into controlled acting. We are not into super expressive acting like Tamil Nadu or Telugu or Kannada or other South Indian film industry. Kerala, we are into very much controlled acting. So for a person like me who has been seeing actors like Mohanlal, Mammootty, who are into the controlled acting genre, and I could relate with Irfan Khan so well that he's one of the greatest inspiration for me. And it was my greatest dream to share the screen with him. I was when I heard about his demise news, I was depressed of that particular day. I was really depressed. और next day तो यार और shock हो गया ऋषि कपूर साहब का. Okay, we knew that both of them were suffering from illness for the past couple of years, but we never expected that such thing will happen soon. And इरफान साहब के बारे में इतना बताया. अब ऋषि कपूर साहब के बारे में ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि he was both of them were very honest. They were honest people. They were honest as a human being in real life. They were honest even in front of the camera too. You should watch the interviews of both, especially Irfan Khan तो पूरा honest man है. Camera in real life, honesty का example है वो. ऋषि कपूर साहब के interviews आप देख लीजिए. वो बहुत बिंदास है. He'll never manipulate or I don't think he tries to be politically correct. He talks very openly. Okay, many heroes or actors you must have seen that they manipulate their words during interviews. They're not 100% open due to different reasons. Maybe the PR agency must have told them that you're not supposed to talk like this. These two guys were bindas. So I hold a huge respect for both of them. More than heroes, I respect them as actors. So answering your second question, with I value more hero or actor. Personally, I want to be a bankable actor, not a hero. But our society needs both actors as well as heroes. दोनों चाहिए balance में. Because in order to pull the crowd, you need a hero. In order to talk in the screen, which we were wanting to talk to the public, or we were wanting to express ourselves. If one person is on the screen talking about it, we need a hero. So we need both heroes and actors. So there is no doubt about it. So I don't believe in the statement that day हमको hero ही चाहिए, actors नहीं चाहिए, हमको actors ही चाहिए, hero नहीं चाहिए. हमको सलमान खान, शाहरुख खान, आमिर खान भी चाहिए. हमको इरफान खान, नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी जी, नसरुद्दीन शब्बूर भी चाहिए. We need both. And we have fantastic, people who are a combination of both.
Yes.
Among the heroes, I like Aamir Khan the most.
Okay.
He's one of the most sensible actors and heroes both. He can carry both well. Yeah.
Thank you.
I hope I answered your question, Chetan. Yeah.
Yes, completely.
And just adding to that, Aditi has written 2 fantastic poems.
Thank you.
I've read that. Aditi, can you please read out the first 4 lines or the entire poem? I'm glad to hear from you for both. Please do that now.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you so much, sir. So, मैंने इरफान सर और ऋषि सर दोनों के लिए उनकी मूवीज को बनाते हुए मैंने कुछ लाइनें लिखी थी. तो पहले इरफान सर के लिए जो मैंने लिखी थी, ये साली जिंदगी भी ना लाइफ इन मेट्रो जैसी हो गई है. कुछ हासिल करने के लिए कारवां चलते जा रहा है. दिल कहता है सलाम बॉम्बे मुझे जज्बा देने के लिए. मदारी बन खुद का किस्सा सुनाने के लिए. हिंदी मीडियम से अंग्रेजी मीडियम तक का सफर काफी मकबूल रहा है. कभी तलवार लिए पान सिंह तोमर बन जाता था तो लोग हंसते थे, लेकिन एक दिन लंच बॉक्स में एक थैंक यू नोट मिला. क्या पता था लाइफ ऑफ पाई देखते हुए डी डे इतनी जल्दी आ जाएगा. खुदा ने ब्लैकमेल कर लिया, वरना जिंदगी का आखिरी पजल जोड़ ही लिया था मैंने. That's it for
Wow.
the.
क्या बात है.
Amazing. Let's give a huge round of applause to her. And please go ahead for the next
for ऋषि सर. Okay, ऋषि सर के लिए मैंने लिखा था कि 1952 में, मतलब 1952 में उनका बर्थ हुआ था, तो 1952 में एक अजूबा ने जन्म लिया. पटियाला हाउस उसकी शान थी. ये मुल्क उसे कपूर एंड सन्स के नाम से जानता था, लेकिन वो कहता मेरा नाम जोकर है. खुदगर्ज था थोड़ा, लेकिन बेशरम बन 11 ना निभाता था. कहता इज्जत की रोटी खाऊंगा, लेकिन किसी का गुलाम नहीं बनूंगा. ऑल इज वेल बोलते बोलते सदियां निकाल दी, पर उसके नसीब को कुछ और ही मंजूर था. कारोबार के कर्ज में डूबा, फिर भी हाउसफुल कर गया. अमर, अकबर, एंथनी, औरंगजेब, कसक, दामिनी, हीना, अनमोल, बॉबी, विजय और चांदनी ने उसके लिए तालियां भी खूब बजाई. ट्विस्ट तो तब आया जब चिंटू जी 2 दूनी 4 कर स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर बन गए. उनसे उनका स्कोर पूछा गया तो वो बोले 102 नॉट आउट है. तो यारो कल किसने देखा है डोंट स्टॉप ड्रीमिंग. आशा करती हूँ जमाना याद रखेगा उनको, जब तक है जान.
Lovely, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Amazing. I mean, we are so blessed to have such a fantastic tribute to these two fantastic actors.
Thank you so much
at this point of time, and thank you, Aditi, for this lovely 2 points which you have written and for reading it out for all of us. Thank you so much. Let's go for the next question.
Yes. So next question आपसे सुशांत पूछेंगे. सुशांत, can you hear me?
Yeah, I am here. Okay. Yeah, hello Ankit.
सुशांत पूछो.
एक क्वेश्चन है. ऐसे कभी हुआ है कि एक जो सीन आपने किया, वो सीन करने के बाद आपको लगा है कि नहीं मैं इससे अच्छा बेटर कर सकता हूँ, और डायरेक्टर ने बोला नहीं इट्स ओके, इट्स फाइन, चल जाएगा?
नहीं, I just missed a sentence in between. Your voice was breaking.
Now it is audible?
Yeah, now it's better. Yeah.
ऐसे कभी हुआ है कि मीन्स अभी आपने इतनी सारी शॉर्ट फिल्म्स एडवर्टाइजिंग इंडस्ट्री में इतनी सारी एडवर्टाइजिंग्स की है, उसके बाद एक्टिंग में कभी ऐसे हुआ हो कि आपने एक सीन कर चुके हो आप, ओके, और आपको लग रहा है कि आप इससे बेटर ये सीन कर सकते हो, एंड आपने डायरेक्टर को बोला कि हम फिर से ये सीन करेंगे, बट डायरेक्टर ने बोला इट्स ओके, इट्स फाइन, ये सीन चल जाएगा. ऐसे कभी हुआ है?
डेफिनेटली हुआ है. अरे डेफिनेटली हुआ है. बहुत बार हुआ है और होता भी है और होना भी चाहिए. Sometimes you feel like so that's what the understanding between an actor and a director, right? I respect. Last word is from the director. Okay, I'll politely request him, sir, may I do the shot again? Can I take that? So if he says that जरूरत ही नहीं है, जो चाहिए मुझे मिला है, then I say okay, no problem. मैं जिद्दी नहीं बन सकता. I cannot say नहीं मुझे चाहिए. Ultimately he is the guy who decides which is the okay shot, right? I'll definitely request. और बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है. But he said that no, वो मिला है. और ultimately मैंने see the film, I understand that हाँ वो तो सही था. और कभी मुझे लगता भी था कि यार इससे अच्छा मैं कर सकता हूँ. नहीं, that's okay, because ये एक्टिंग और ये बहुत सारे टैलेंट्स होता है ना, नॉट ओनली एक्टिंग, बहुत सारी चीजें ना, ये मेजरेबल नहीं है ना. इट्स नॉट क्वांटिटेटिव, यू कैन नॉट मेजर इट. वो मोमेंट पे क्या होता है, दैट्स इट. इट्स अ मैजिक ऑफ द मोमेंट. जो मिला वो मिला. समटाइम्स यू कभी एक दो बार ऐसा भी हुआ है कि मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया, सर मैं इससे अच्छा कर सकता हूँ, कैन यू डू वन सॉन्ग? ही सेड हाँ बिंदास करके देखो. और करने के बाद मुझे लगा कि नहीं पहला टेक अच्छा था. मैंने बताया ना तुमको, ऐसा भी हुआ है. So it happens to everybody. It happens. All actors it happens. It's very common. And I immediately approached the director and I requested. There is nothing wrong in requesting him, and let him take a call. कभी ऐसा भी हुआ है कि डायरेक्टर ने अलाउ किया है और मैंने किया है और उसको पसंद आया, नहीं यार ये अच्छा है, मैं आई विल टेक दिस, ऐसा भी हुआ. सो इट्स वेरी कॉमन थिंग. या
और एक क्वेश्चन था.
हाँ.
अभी आपने बोला कि आपने वेबसाइट लॉन्च की है. मैं खुद एक वेबसाइट डेवलपर हूँ और ब्लॉग्स भी लिखता हूँ.
ग्रेट.
तो एक क्वेश्चन था कि जब सेलिब्रिटीज के लिए हम लोग वेबसाइट बनाते हैं, ओके, व्हेन वी डेवलप द वेबसाइट फॉर सेलिब्रिटीज, व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ सेलिब्रिटीज?
Okay, देखो, let me be very blunt. The popularity, the money in which a person, ये financial fundamental है. The money a person or a celebrity earns is directly proportional to the number of people he can influence. This is the hardcore fact. Okay, रॉबर्ट कियोसाकी ने अपने रिच डैड पुअर डैड करके एक बुक है, इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक बुक, यू शुड रीड दैट. वो बुक में लिखा है और ये सच है. You must have seen that it's not the fantastic singer who gets the maximum money. It's the singer who can attract more people get more money. That's fact of the world. It's applicable to author, it's applicable to an actor or anyone. It's about the number. It's all about the number game. So when you talk about the requirement of developing a website for a celebrity, that celebrity's intention will be number one, to get maximum exposure of himself or herself to maximum people, to give maximum information to a person who would like to know about him. When I was developing this, my first intention was, okay, if somebody searches Ankit Madhav on Google, he or she should be able to get into my website and know about me. It can be a normal person, it can be a director, assistant director, or a casting director. Okay, so or second thing is that if a casting director asks me about my work links or my details, I just need to now onwards, I just need to send this website. So please have a look on this website. You'll get all my information. Okay. So there is one more point requirement. Third, contact. There should be a contact information to contact you. काम मिलना चाहिए ना. So one is to reach maximum number of people. Second, to give maximum amount of information to the people or to the right people, right information. Third, a provision to contact you. These are the basic 3 requirements for a celebrity website. Plus, there are other like it can act as a interactive platform with your fans. It can be blog, it can be chatting sessions, you can go on live, you can such type of interacting with platforms, interacting with your fans. Yeah, these are the basic requirement of a celebrity website.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So welcome, Sushant. Yeah.
Okay.
सर अंकित सर, आपके लिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इस सेशन का कि आपका जो स्ट्रगल टाइम वो कितने इयर्स का था या कितने दिन का था इस इंडस्ट्री में?
मैं अभी भी स्ट्रगल कर रहा हूँ.
ओके.
ये
आपका बड़प्पन है कि आप
देखो like what you can say, that initial struggle period, even to start your career with, that went for say my first break. Actually क्या हुआ था कि शुरू में मुझे कोई गाइड करने वाला नहीं था.
Okay.
It's always said that you need to have a mentor who will give you the right advice. Say for example, बहुत लोगों को problem ये हो जाता है कि if they want to become an architect or they want to become an engineer or whoever, वो पड़ोसी को पूछते हैं जाके advice, जो उसका दुकान चलाता है.
Right.
He will not be in a position to guide you which branch you need to take in engineering or how to become an architect. No. So you need to find the right mentor to guide you, or the right people to ask advice for. वो शुरुआत में it was missing for me. I was like taking the printouts of my portfolio, just walking around the streets of Andheri West, Lokhandwala, Versova, and knocking the doors of the studios. They're asking whether I'm a fit or not. बहुत सारे लोग cheat करने के लिए कोशिश किया था. Like for example, आपको चांस मिलने के लिए आपको अभी जो आपके हाथ में पोर्टफोलियो वो सही नहीं है, आपको दूसरा पोर्टफोलियो बनाना पड़ेगा. और बहुत सारे नेगेटिविटीज आएंगे. वे बोल रहे थे कि आपका कमियां वो लोग you know they'll point out your negativities or you make you feel low so that you will accept them as your mentor and attend their workshops or they have specific interest for that. So वो struggling period, I'll say that around 1 to 2 years. तो एक साल में पता चला मुझे, वो पल्स पता चला कि okay, exactly which is the door exactly to knock or what to try to crack and who are the right people to approach. तो वो पता चला तो then थोड़ा streamline हुआ, struggle streamline हुआ, I'll say that. Initially वो struggle इतना struggle भी streamline नहीं था. Then struggle वो थोड़ा streamline हुआ, then result आना चालू हो गया. तो exactly I cannot tell you the timeline. Maybe I got streamlined in a couple of years. So 1 year I can say 1 year, yeah. I started getting work, good work. तो एक मिला, वो दिखा के दूसरा मिला, वो दोनों दिखा के तीसरा मिला, ऐसा. And I was handling both my office job, I was working in an MNC. Along with that, I was doing this, I was chasing my dream. So working days में क्या होता था कि I was not in a position to go for auditions. वो time पे remote auditions और सेल्फ टेस्ट वगैरह होता नहीं था उतना. I mean, सेल्फ टेस्ट करके आप मोबाइल में शूट करके भेज दो. वो आजकल तो बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है, बट मेरे ज़माने में वो टॉलरेट नहीं करता था. कास्टिंग पीपल वांट यू टू बी देयर इन द स्टूडियो टू गिव योर ऑडिशन इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम. तो हाँ, तो बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटी मैंने मिस भी किया था वो टाइम पे. देन वो धीरे धीरे मुझे समझ में आया था. आई यूज्ड टू डेडिकेट मोर टाइम. आई यूज्ड टू कम अर्ली फ्रॉम ऑफिस. Say for example, from office I come back by 6 or 7, take my two-wheeler, go to Versova, attend the audition, come back home by 11, 12. I take this last slot. If I get a call from the casting director, I request them that मुझे शाम का last slot मुझे दे दो. What is the maximum time I can come so that I can attend the office and go. फिर एक बार आप काम करना चालू करेगा, your face become familiar, you become a known face in the industry. They will tolerate your request. Like for example, if nowadays if I tell them that I'm not in a position to come, but I can send you my self-recorded audition if you explain me by phone, they accept that. Because you reach a position where they need your audition. People, the director, the production house, they start asking for a particular artist audition. At that time, they will tolerate you. Then your chances of getting a more, once your face become known, then things will become easy. It's better. Will become better. Yeah. So I think I answered your question.
Okay. Means in this struggling period, ये जो struggle 1 साल का आपने किया, उसमें आपने reality shows में try किया था? उसका कुछ experience?
हाँ. Oh yeah. Reality show actually मैंने Marvel Manorama करके एक one of the top Malayalam entertainment channel है. उसमें the biggest hit reality show till now in the history of Malayalam, that's called D for Dance. It's a dance reality show. उसका जो जूनियर वर्सेस सीनियर करके एक सीजन था, उसका फर्स्ट 10 एपिसोड्स मैंने एंकर किया था. सो दैट वाज आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड बाय प्योर ऑडिशन. मुंबई में फर्स्ट राउंड हुआ था, उसके बाद सेकंड राउंड हुआ था कोच्चि में. फ्रॉम देयर आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड इन दैट. दैट वाज रियली टफ एंड I could anchor for the initial 10 episodes. That was a fantastic experience. Because in the case of it's I'll say जो reality shows होता है वो actually में इतना real नहीं होता है. There are things which are being manipulated. Because I mean, they are forced to, because that's what audience expects, that they need to tweak a bit here and there, which I couldn't. Many a times I couldn't digest or gel with some of the facts, but it's your job, you have to do. Your principles may not exactly match with what you're doing. Sometimes, if it's not harming anyone, you may need to manage somehow. But it was like there were around 12 to 15 cameras, live cameras around you, and live. And it's like you'll be in connected with a microphone and this earphone with the directorial team, and you will keep on getting instructions. Based on the instructions, you move around. Sometimes there will not be any script. Sometimes there will be script. Which question need to be asked to which contestant, and वो सब emotional vulnerability को थोड़ा सा exploit कर देते हैं.
Right.
तो कौन सा contestants को आपको कौन सा question पूछना है, वो सब instructions आपको मिलते रहेंगे, उसके basis पे आप question पूछते हैं. So sometimes even I would like ask some certain questions to some contestant, but करना पड़ता है. Yeah.
Answer also scripted, right?
A good experience. Yeah.
In reality show, answer also scripted. Answer and question.
No. Not every time. Sometimes the interaction between the anchor and the judges, it can be scripted.
Okay.
Very rarely the contestants का भी scripted हो जाता है, but otherwise वो थोड़ा reality है उसमें. Contestants का जो spontaneous replay sometimes works. A lot of editing happens. It's not live telecasted, right? A lot of editing happens.
Okay.
Later. Yeah. And it's not the वो एक dance है वो 2 बार sometimes it's being shot couple of times. वो सही तरीके से नहीं जा रहा है या वो contestants performance नहीं, it's repeated. वो हम normal audience को पता नहीं चलता है. ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं अंदर.
अच्छा.
Yeah. But the your popularity skyrockets when you come in TV, especially in the reality shows. Popularity skyrockets. The people start coming to you. Your face becomes so recognizable.
Okay.
Yeah, because you're a household name. Yeah, that's something huge.
Okay, Prachetan.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Snehal.
Yeah. Snehal is.
Hello. Yes. Snehal. Okay. आपका next question है, right?
हाँ, yeah.
Okay. तो आप पूछिए.
मुझे ऐसा क्वेश्चन था कि उनका कम्युनिकेशन स्किल मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, तो आपका स्किल ऐसे पहले से ऐसे ही या आपने कुछ कर दिया इसके लिए?
ऐसा नहीं था.
Are you able to hear? Yes.
शुरू में ऐसा नहीं था. शुरू में ऐसा नहीं था.
हाँ.
I worked on myself, Snail.
Yes.
आपको self train करना पड़ता है.
Okay.
Yeah, because I used to teach in MBA colleges as a part-time along with my job. I love teaching. So I used to take managerial courses along with motivational classes too. For example, even improving the communication skills of MBA students. उसमें भी मैंने specialize किया था बीच में तो. And for improving my English, I used to watch a lot of news, Indian news, not Sky News or BBC. वो भयंकर है, वो नहीं. Let's not follow that. Let's follow proper Indian English news channels like NDTV or CNN IBN or ऐसा. Yeah, you follow that. You get proper neutral, good Indian accent. Okay, many of the time what people make a mistake is that they straight away start to follow BBC. No, BBC there, वो बाप है. English pronunciation का बाप है. If you straight away start follow them, no, you'll not be able to follow. You get bored and you'll get that false accent. No. So I used to read then English films with subtitles.
Okay.
Yeah, and we Malayalis, I did my till 12th. I was in Kerala. I did my engineering from Mangalore University. So you will be able to identify the thick accent, that heavy Malayali accent or heavy South Indian accent by any person who talk in English. We are really good in writing, but sometimes we slip from speaking neutral English or without accent, so that we need to work on ourselves. And definitely, being a voiceover artist, you exactly know when we speak which word need to be stressed more, where the modulation need to be given, where the stress need to be given on a particular sentence. That you learn.
Okay, thank you.
So that's quite interesting. Thanks. And just adding to that, one person whom I met, one of my co-actor, with whom I was working for a documentary for Sridham Finance. It's an internal corporate video we were shooting. He identified my way of speech potential enough to be a voiceover artist. Even I was not aware that there is a huge industry, dubbing industry, which prevails in Mumbai. Even I was ignorant about that. देखो जो चीज आपके पाथ में जो आएगा तो आएगा ही. Sometimes आपको कुछ करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. You just stick to who you are. So he identified. His name is Manikandan. It's a gem of a person. He's an actor. So he asked me like, "Are you a voiceover artist?" He asked me this question. I said, "What is voiceover artist?" That was my reply. And he said that voiceover means the person who gives voice to other person for when you're dubbing or. Then I asked, "Okay, ऐसा भी हो सकता है क्या?" And he said, "Yes, you have got the way in which you speak has got a potential. I think let me connect to a couple of voice coordinators."
Okay.
Thank you.
He connected me then and there itself, connected me to some voice coordinators. And that's how I learned through the job. Yeah, that's what.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's great.
Great.
Okay. So, hello.
Yeah.
Okay. तो next question आपसे Zaid पूछेंगे.
Zahid, feel free to ask your question.
Yes.
Don't be shy.
Hi Ankit.
Sir, please
Hi Ankit sir.
say from your behalf.
Hi Zaid, where are you? I'm not able to see you.
I'll be there.
दिल से
Are you
मिट्टी.
able?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
that
but I
is
can see you. I can see your name, but it's dark.
No, it's दिल से. Zahid, please
दिल से
elaborate some
मिट्टी.
lines.
@ दिल से by मिट्टी.
दिल से मैंने देखा, but I'm not able to see you. Oh, it's fine. You can. Yeah. Yes, now I'm able to. Yes. Zaid dil se. Yeah.
Background is matching of our both means.
Yeah. दिल से मैंने देखा. सही है.
So जैसे मैं एक शायर हूँ तो मेरा मतलब एक आपसे ये जानना था कि आप पर्सनली क्या सोचते हैं एक शायर या पोएट के बारे में?
Personally क्या सोचता है? They are genius people यार. I respect them a lot. मेरे से एक लाइन नहीं निकलता है. I often wonder how you guys write it यार.
Look at the smile of Sushant. He is also in this party.
Yes.
Great यार. I mean, yeah, I respect them a lot यार. I mean, something which you cannot even imagine coming out of you. You'll definitely respect यार. I mean, amazing poets, शायर. I mean, amazing. A huge respect.
अदृशा भी पोएट है, प्रचेतन भाई भी मींस एवरी टाइप में कुछ ना कुछ कंटेंट लिखते रहते हैं प्रचेतन भाई.
I know. I envy with respect all these people who are able to write, who has got the blessings to write. It's an amazing ability to convert the thought into beautiful words which inspires and attracts others. It's a blessing, man. Absolutely.
Thank you.
And just a compliment for अदृशा. मतलब जब वो पढ़ रही थी इरफान खान वाला और ऋषि कपूर सर का, तो फिर जब ऐसा गूज़बम्स आ रहे थे वो पूरा.
Absolutely.
Every time पढ़ा हूँ सेम रिएक्शन था वो मेरा.
No doubt about it.
Thank you so much.
Only this was my question, that how do you personally feel for a poet?
Lot of respect. That's my answer in a single sentence. Yeah, lot of respect.
Thank you.
That's a really great answer. I am done with my question.
Okay. So next question.
I just want to modify the question before moving to next question.
Okay.
How do you feel about upcoming actors?
Yeah.
Me.
Upcoming actors. You are not upcoming actor. You are already an established actor.
No. My feeling about upcoming.
Yes.
Upcoming actors, right? That's what you asked me.
Yes.
I know. I'm really happy to see people who share similar interests like us, who are self-motivated, and respect to them too for following their passion. It's not easy to follow your passion. It's not at all easy. It's a risk you take in your life. It's the pain you embrace in your life to go after your passion. Because आपको आगे क्या होगा? Okay, आपको सपने में clarity होगा, but आपको कुछ initially वगैरह पता नहीं होता है. You'll be completely lost, but still to struggle to fight against it and go ahead. Big salute, यार. Big salute. That's what I feel about the upcoming actors. My only prayer and about them is that they should have good mentors to guide them and not to waste time like me, and so that they can minimize time waste and they can reach their goals faster. Yeah.
Wow.
Don't get one more point. Don't get carried away by people's just showbaji and dialogues and all. You need to do the background check about anybody before collaborating with them for beginners. Yeah,
that's great. So we have one more person among us.
Yeah.
Whose name is Abhishek Patil.
Hi, Abhishek.
Hi, Ankit. How are you?
Fantastic, yeah.
Yeah.
Was that headphone or earrings?
Hello.
Headphones
Are you audible?
Yeah. Absolutely loud and clear.
Yeah. I saw yesterday your Instagram profile and everything, and also I saw that first part that Prachetan shared me that YouTube link, and I would like to ask you one question regarding how to handle senior person's ego in industry, because everywhere senior person and juniors are in every industry. So how do you handle seniors in your life?
That's an interesting question, Abhishek. ये जो जिंदगी में जो सक्सेस है उसका मेजॉरिटी डिपेंड होता है how you handle the people around you. It's not about the technical knowledge you have, or it's not about how much you have read. Definitely, it's not going to help you. It's all going to help you, but the final success depends upon how you are dealing with people, your interpersonal abilities, your communication abilities, and how you are good in ego polishing, answering your question. So that's very important. Your ego, there are two things. When you approach someone, you have two choices. One, you can change that person. You can try to change that person, or you can change yourself.
Yes.
Okay, so सबसे easiest thing क्या है?
You can
change yourself rather than changing others. Right? Yes. And if there is a senior person and you respect that person and you are sure that you can learn a lot from that person, and that person can help you in achieving goals or reaching or whatever, or he's got a possibility of being a mentor, submit yourself professionally. That's the answer from me. Submit yourself. I mean, there is no point you in showing ego to them, because it's not going to end anywhere. Be polite, be humble. That will help you in long run.
Yeah, because from college days, I was a victim of that ego problem, seniors ego problem. Yeah, I was also
I can understand. Yeah.
Did theater in my college days, so I faced many of this problem. Also, I am a writer, so there in college there are lots of people are writing, but they are seniors. But they are most of the seniors are not supporting to juniors. So might be they thought insecurities in their life.
वो ये actually ये insecurity वाला feeling ना वो major है. I'll say that around 90% of people are insecure. Very less number of people you can see that they don't care about upcoming people or somebody overpowering them. They don't care. But you have to polish their ego. There is no other way. And you're confident that, I mean, it's not like, you should not think like, I have better talent than him, and no, aisa nahi hai. You keep on doing your work, not to hurt anyone, be humble, and do whatever you're doing. That's it. You cannot change others. No? There is no point in thinking about it or spending time Yeah, think about the negativity. You need to move on. There's no other way.
Yes. Thank you.
Hope I answered your question. Yeah, welcome.
Thank you, Abhishek. So next question, okay, Abhishek. Okay. So next question ये है कि आपके first scene के एक सेकंड, या स्टोरी बिहाइंड योर फर्स्ट सीन, मतलब जब आपने फर्स्ट सीन शूट किया था आपका,
इसमें
first day on the set and
First
the
day on
story
the-
experience
हाँ.
for shooting your
your
first
first
scene.
scene.
First scene of film or ad or web series?
You can say
or...
scene of your career, whatever.
Yes.
Means it can be a short, means your official debut on the screen.
Oh, okay. Although that I can talk about the first Malayalam.
Yes, it's
The
completely
first
fine.
feature film I acted. It's called, the name of that feature film was Chekavar. It was directed by Vancha Sajeevan. And actually, my first.
Hello.
Hello. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Everybody is hearing you.
Yeah. So years back, I got selected as the runner-up of one reality show called Mr. Handsome by Manorama newspaper.
Okay.
So in that particular reality competition, it was not only the looks, but they were judging the acting talent and impromptu capability of you to do a scene. So I got the second prize in that. So the people started noticing, and I got an offer to act in this particular movie called Chekavar. So I was super excited to be in front of the film camera, okay, like ARRI camera. And it was my debut, and I was all prepared to go there. My character's name was Mr. Roy. The scene was like I ragged the hero's sister in the college. I was the sitting MLA's son, who's a upcoming gunda, you can say, the MLA's son, a bit of villainish touch. So I ragged the hero's sister. So the hero's brother is coming to question me. So in front of my party office, the first shot is I'm getting a slap on my cheek. Okay, that was my first scene in a feature film. So look at the irony. I was recommended to the film from the production side, okay, from the producer side. I think the director wanted to cast somebody else or something like that. So, or he wanted to make fun of me because he knew that I was the first. It was my first film, and I was so naive. I was so excited going around, looking at people. Wow, a camera go. A feature film. Oh my God, I'm standing in front of the stalwart. So, and the guy who was slapping me, Suraj Vanyaramudu, he's a national award winner. I think a couple of years back, he got the best actor national award. He was a guy who is slapping me. Okay. So normally what happens is that it was an action. Okay. The hand will go like this, and the rest will be the sound effect. But the director insisted that no, that need to be shot in close-up with a real slap. I don't know whether he was a sadist or not. He has told his assistant director to slap me real with the maximum force.
My God.
Oh my God, what a slap I got, man. मैं ऊपर जाके वापस आ गया था. Oh shit, कुछ टाइम के लिए कुछ दिखाई नहीं दिया. ऐसा सही slap मिला था मुझे. Oh shit, I don't have the clip with me. Otherwise, I should have shown you. Maybe the next session I can show you that.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was my first memory of my first take, man. Like slap on my face. I'm sure I will be meeting Mr. Suraj in the upcoming days, maybe in some show or I don't know. And I'm going to tell the public saying that my career started in the films with your slap, and it's coming out lucky. Yeah, that's my first experience. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Hard
next question. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. So, one second. Okay. Next, Akshay wants to ask a question.
Yeah.
Hello, Akshay?
Akshay?
येतोय का?
हा यस यस ऐकू येतोय.
हा ठीक आहे. हेलो अंकित सर.
हाँ अक्षय हाय.
हाँ हेलो. हाँ मुझे पूछना था कि आपने अभी मोहनलाल सर और मामूटी सर के साथ काम किया है क्या?
नहीं ममूटी सर के साथ मैंने किया नहीं, मैं मोहनलाल के साथ किया है.
हाँ ओके ओके. कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था?
एक्चुअली मोहनलाल सर के साथ ज्यादा इंटरेक्ट करने के लिए मुझे मौका नहीं मिला था, बट द एक्सपीरियंस वाज रियली गुड. इन द first session I was explaining one of my mishap during the shoot with Mohanlal sir in Karmayuddha, where one blood bubble was fixed on my head and it got burst, and I lost almost the 1 year for a week, my hearing ability for 1 week. So it was one of the couple of points which comes to me when I think about Mohanlal sir. He's so humble. He's so humble. He's a superstar. Okay, he's one of the acclaimed national level actor. But he don't possess that. Hindi में क्या बोलते हैं? घमंड बोलते हैं ना? No, he's such a down to earth person. He'll just come to you and just talk to you like that. He's so down to earth and he's so he's a human. You don't feel like you're standing with a superstar. That's the first thing which comes to my mind. So very few, I get a few minutes to talk with him in between the shoot because it was drizzling. It was a bit of raining, so he came out of the vanity van, shot, and he went back to the vanity van. So basically, normally what happens is after the shot, all actors will sit together in a chair. That time we get an opportunity to talk. So I didn't get that because of the rain. But definitely I'll be working with him in future for sure. Yeah.
पहला सेशन में जो आदिति मैम ने क्वेश्चन पूछा था आपको कि आप लंदन में थे और एक्टिंग स्कूल ज्वाइन किया था, तो उस बारे में मेरा क्वेश्चन था. तो एक्टिंग स्कूल के जो ओनर होते हैं तो उनको हम एंटरप्रेन्योर बोला सकते हैं क्या हो सकते हैं क्या एंटरप्रेन्योर?
Definitely is an entrepreneur, right?
Okay.
Because he is someone who makes his own money, but something which he does on his own, and he has got his assistants, other teachers, other faculty, other people. So he's giving job to others too. So he's also an entrepreneur, and he's having it's just not like he's doing classes. He's an author. He releases podcasts. He has got other sources of income too. He's an entrepreneur. And he associates with the other casting directors. Say, for example, a new project comes up and they need fresh faces. So the casting director will approach the owners of the film schools to provide them good, talented people for auditions. Because if they are looking for a particular character faces, they need that, right? Yeah.
I have one more question.
Yeah.
एक ही टाइम में हम 3 चीजों पर फोकस कर सकते क्या? मतलब मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था. I have multiple tasks doing. I am also robotic engineer. I am doing a professional level photography also, and I have my family business in construction. So इस बारे में आपका multiple source कैसे रहेगा? मतलब
definitely you can put your feet in multiple boats. There is no problem in that, but it all depends upon what are the things you are focusing on and which is your main priority, and the time balancing how you will do. That's more important. So your business and photography will gel together.
Yeah.
So it's not a problem. It cannot be a problem. If you have a family business and photography gels together very well, because फैमिली बिजनेस में क्या होता है, टाइम आपके पास है, आपको किसी को रिपोर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं. आपको बीच में एक फोटोग्राफी असाइनमेंट आ गया सपोज, तो आप आराम से आप किसी को बिना बोल के या whoever with whom you are working for, your partner or relative or whoever, ये उस दिन वो संभालने के लिए बोल सकता है और आप वो संभालेंगे एक दिन और आप वो फोटोग्राफी प्रोजेक्ट के लिए आप कर सकते हैं, तो आराम से हो जाएगा. बट if you're a professional photographer and you're working for a company, private company, it will be difficult because on working days you will not be able to take up any professional photography work.
Yeah, मैं personal level पे
ले सकते हैं, but personal level पे कोई problem नहीं. Saturday Sunday आप कर सकते हैं, या after office hours आप कर सकते हैं. You're not going to any office, right? You're not working for somebody else. You're working for yourself.
Yeah, definitely.
Right?
I have a group of 3 and 4 person. जब भी कोई assignment होता है wedding का या model shoot का वगैरह, हाँ, चले जाते हैं time manage करके. So photography के लिए sir कहाँ पे platform ज़्यादा?
That's what I'm saying. There is nothing problem. You can go for 3 things or 4 things or 5 things, no problem. As far as you are able to manage the time without affecting.
Photography के लिए कहाँ पे platform available हो सकते हैं? Traditional छोड़ के या local के area छोड़ के?
Photography में बहुत सारे options हैं. Photography, it's a wide, huge area of interest.
Because you related to that, na?
I can very well answer your question. There are different types of photography. Like which one you're interested in? Fashion photography or event photography, or what type of photography you're interested in?
Yeah. I'd personally doing a wedding photography and model shoots.
Model shoots and wedding photography. Okay. So you can expand yourself into fashion photography. You can collaborate with some magazines and go for print shoots for them. You can go for model portfolio shoots.
Okay.
Okay. And at this point,
हेलो
हाँ सर का वीडियो आई गेस पॉज हुआ है, 2 मिनट बैक हो जाएगा. वीडियो आई गेस सर का पॉज हुआ है या शायद नेटवर्क कनेक्शन.
पिछली बार का डायलॉग दोहरा दीजिए ना. तब तक बड़े लाइव्स में
बिल्कुल ऐसे बड़े लाइव्स में ऐसी छोटी बातें होती रहती है, तो जुड़े रहिए, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. सर वापस आ जाएंगे. अगर सर लेफ्ट भी हुए हैं तो जैसे सर इस वीडियो में. हाँ
yes,
may I share some photos?
Will you please repeat?
May I share some photos, my colleagues?
Till then you can share 2 or 3 photos through your screen share till the
with the screen share.
Yeah, sure. And before that, post your Instagram or something handle on this group chat so that I will forward it to everyone.
Okay. Just I want to set a video just for entertainment.
ओके सर आ गए हैं, मैं एडमिट कर रही हूँ.
ओके कर देना.
हाँ सर. हेलो एक सेकंड.
हेलो सर, ऑडियो के साथ कनेक्ट हो रहा है शायद.
हाँ नहीं सर, वीडियो के साथ भी 1 मिनट में देख लेते.
सर का आवाज म्यूट होगा, एक बार ऑन कर देना.
ऑन कर दिया. Hello.
Can you see me?
Hello everyone.
Yeah, we can see you.
Hello.
Sorry, I got pulled out. I don't know. I didn't reconnected.
No problem. होता है. ऐसे छोटे ऐसे बड़े लाइफ में छोटी बातें होती रहती है. अगेन
होते रहते हैं.
सर को भी याद है पूरा डायलॉग.
And so answering your question, that photography, right? Yeah, I was telling like you can associate with the magazines to provide portfolio shoots, and you can make portfolio shoots of models and upcoming actors and all. Okay. And my friend, and if you need, if you start exploring the possibility of taking a portfolio shoot or something, or if you want to build up your profile, I'm okay for that. You can contact me. I'm ready for that. Okay. So if you wanted to,
is there any chance for him to meet you in Mumbai for the first meet in person?
Absolutely. We can definitely not complete. We can meet and discuss, and we can work on it. If you check my Instagram account, you can find some photographs.
पहले सीजन के बाद ही मैंने आपका Instagram ID check किया.
So there are a couple of interesting projects I've done with one of my photographer friend Krishna. His pen name is Creator. So he's a photographer who has done his course from London. He was working in Ogilvy and Mather ad agency. He left it for following his passion as a photographer. Yeah, he was leading the Sri Lankan branch of Ogilvy and Mather. And we normally collaborate with each other and do photography projects.
Okay.
So that's not just wearing flashes and makeup and doing like that. No,
Research.
We make a subject and we go into places and we do still photography projects. We can even explore those possibilities, and I'm open for any experimentations. So I'm a complete director's actor. So you can come up with any ideas of shoot. I mean, I'm ready for that. I'm ready to collaborate. Just an example. So this is one thing. Just adding to this, one of the possible. There are something called product photo shoot. Product shoot. That's also very important and highly paid photography projects, wherein which you are shooting products. उसके लिए exclusive, you need separate lenses for that, separate specialization for that. For product photo shoot and all, you need to have a mentor. First, you need to get trained with someone who is already an established guy. That's the first main focus. Otherwise, the fashion photography, the modeling photography, you can definitely experiment and you can develop of your own.
ऑनलाइन डिप्लोमा मैंने डिप्लोमा किया हुआ है, ऑनलाइन किया हुआ है, लेकिन इसमें से मुझे ज्यादा प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज नहीं है, तो मुझे हैंड ऑन प्रैक्टिकल्स करना था किसी अच्छे फोटोग्राफर के साथ अगर कोलैबोरेट करना।
एब्सोल्युटली। तो आप कोई भी आपका फ्री टाइम, आप कोई भी एस्टैब्लिश फोटोग्राफर के साथ कुछ असिस्टेंट, यू हेल्प हिम आउट फॉर सम टाइम, गो अलोंग विद हिम फॉर सम प्रोजेक्ट्स व्हिच हैज और I mean, काम करते करते सीख जाइए आप. I think that's already you are doing event coverage and also आपको सारे basics, you are already an expert. तो आपको और जो टेक्निक जो nuances होता है ना इसमें, तो वो आप सीखने के लिए ग्रुप है. So I have done a lot of still photography assignments for products, for Berger paints, for Asian Paints League, for big brands. I've done projects which they have complete setup for shoot. Established still photograms and with a complete 1 day dedicated for that, and we are paid separately for still photography for models. So it's a separate, completely separate team handles that. It's a very serious business, still photography, because those photographs will be used for the prints, newspapers, magazines, etc. Big hoardings, billboards, etc. This is a huge. We can talk about it in detail.
Yeah, definitely. We'll meet about that, sir.
Okay.
Sure, buddy. Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Rohit. I would like to invite Akshay sir to ask a question.
Hello.
Hi, Akshay.
हेलो. सर, थोड़ा सा एक क्वेश्चन था. आपका लेटेस्ट मलयालम मूवी या देखा है क्या?
आपने देखा क्या वो?
फॉरेंसिक देखा है क्या आपने?
नहीं, फॉरेंसिक मैंने नहीं देखा. मैंने कल रात को अंजाम पादिरा करके एक मूवी है, दैट्स द हाईएस्ट ग्रोसिंग.
That's beautiful.
ये ग्रोस है.
I was watching it yesterday. It's the Anjam Padira. Yeah. Anjam Padira is, the translation is Anjam means fifth midnight. It's a serial. It's a nicely made movie. It's grossed around 50 crores in Malayalam film industry. That's a huge amount. 50 crores Malayalam film industry मतलब 3 लोग हैं. So 50 crores मिल गया तो मतलब बड़ी बात है. So yeah. So I watched that Anjam Padira. So it's a good movie. Yeah. Definitely watchable ones. Yeah.
और एक क्वेश्चन था सर. आप तमिल या कन्नड़ में इंटरेस्टेड हो कि नहीं?
Absolutely. तमिल. मेरा जो प्रीवियस अभी जो जो लेटेस्ट मेरा अप टू रिलीज आर माधवन सर के साथ जो रॉकेटरी फिल्म है, दैट इज ट्राइलिंगुअल. दैट हैज बीन शॉट इन हिंदी, इंग्लिश एंड तमिल. तो तीनों लैंग्वेज में वो प्रॉपर शूट हुआ था. फॉर एग्जांपल, मेरा एक सेंटेंस का डायलॉग है, एक सीन है, मेरा एक डायलॉग है, तो फर्स्ट शॉट में सारे एक्टर्स मिलके हिंदी में बात करेंगे. सेकंड शॉट में हम सेम सीन विल टॉक इन इंग्लिश, सेम सीन विल टॉक इन तमिल. So सारे एक्टर्स वो तीनों लैंग्वेज हैंडल करने वाले एक्टर्स को सेलेक्ट किया था. Okay, so that's about the latest one which is yet to be released. And इसका previous जो फिल्म है, बिजय नंबियार सर का जो बॉलीवुड डायरेक्टर, उसका जो सोलो दुलकर सलमान हीरो, That's available in Netflix anyway. तो उसमें that was a bilingual तमिल और मलयालम में.
ओके.
वो भी हर सीन का वो डबिंग नहीं है, हर सीन दोनों लैंग्वेज में शूट होता है. तमिल में और मलयालम में. Yeah, that's available. Yeah. So Tamil I can speak fluently Tamil because I got a lot of friends and I can manage Tamil well. Kannada भी मैं manage कर सकता हूँ क्योंकि I did my engineering in Mangalore in Karnataka. So I can understand a little bit. I cannot speak so fluently in Kannada. I can follow.
Okay.
Yeah.
और एक क्वेश्चन था.
हाँ, अरे बिंदास यार.
अभी नए प्रोजेक्ट कौन से हैं आपके आने वाले?
नए देखो जो अपकमिंग रिलीज वाला ये मैं आपको बताया अभी रॉकेटरी है that is yet to be released. I am in talk with 2 other feature films.
Okay.
मलयालम feature film में 2 feature film में. One I'm acting as a villain and in one feature film I'm acting as a brother-in-law of hero's brother-in-law.
Okay.
So उसका जो story ऐसा है कि story I cannot reveal much details about it. Hero's sister is the heroine, the lead character. Okay, and I'm the lead character's husband. So those are the 2 films which we are under discussion because this happened before this corona issue. So we need to start the discussions. So these are the 2 projects I'm looking forward to.
और ये मेरा एक last question था.
Yeah, and this March 23rd को अक्षय कुमार के साथ एक ad schedule था हैदराबाद में. For one of one web brand के लिए, and I was so excited to meet him and to be with him in an ad. But यार 19 को सारे shoots बंद किए ना कोरोना के चक्कर से, तो वो that on hold, so I missed it. Otherwise मेरा जो celebrity list में अक्षय कुमार जी भी आ जाते हैं. शेयर करने के लिए एक और स्टोरी हो जाता है मेरे साथ.
My last question.
आप बोलिए, पूछिए.
हाँ, विजय सेतुपति का कौन सा फिल्म अच्छा?
हाँ जी.
विजय सेतुपति सर का कौन सा मूवी आपने देखा अभी?
अरे विजय सेतुपति is an amazing actor यार वो. अरे बाप रे, hardcore ना विजय सेतुपति. उसका
कल उनके मूवी का 7th एनिवर्सरी था वो.
Which one?
कल मूवी का 7th एनिवर्सरी था विजय सर.
पेटा में भी काफी अच्छे काम किए थे सर उन्होंने.
अरे वो अमेजिंग एक्टर है. उसका जो ऑरेंज मिठाई करके एक मूवी है, इट्स अ सिंपल मूवी. ही इज एक्टिंग एज अ वेरी ओल्ड मैन इन दैट. वो देखा है तुमने वो दिस वन?
बिल्कुल.
ऑरेंज मिठाई करके एक मूवी है उसका विजय सेतुपति का.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ. एंड मुझे उससे विजय का सबसे फेवरेट मूवी है Vikram Vedha. That's my favorite movie.
Okay.
Have you guys seen Vikram Vedha?
Yes.
Yes.
You have to watch that. It has been selected as the best movie in 2000. I'll tell you. 2017 का I think national level best movie select किया था वो. Best movie in India.
Okay.
विजय सेतुपति equal role में है.
Equal role.
Amazing. Right, it's going to get remade in Hindi, but वो casting अभी तक finalized नहीं हुआ है. People are eagerly waiting for that. Who will act in role and who will act in Vijay Sethupathi role? It's an amazing movie. You guys should watch that. Amazon Prime. Yeah.
Satamisian भी अच्छा था वो.
Which one?
Satamisian.
No, I haven't seen that. Sangathamaliyan? नहीं वो संगतमलियन समझ मैंने देखा.
हमारे मलयालम इंडस्ट्री और साउथ इंडस्ट्री की एक फैक्ट्री है.
वेरी गुड. उसका पहला फिल्म है पिज़्ज़ा करके. Have you seen that? पिज़्ज़ा.
पिज़्ज़ा. Yes.
हिंदी में भी रिमेक हुआ था उसका.
हाँ.
हिंदी में उनका ये आया था ना रीमेक.
हिंदी डब भी हुआ
था. रीमेक आया था.
हाँ पिज़्ज़ा.
अच्छा वो एक्टिंग है तो मेन कास्ट.
नहीं,
I'll find it out. I'll find it out.
हिंदी मूवी नहीं ज्यादा
I want to see that too.
और अपना वो कल 7th एनिवर्सरी था ना सोदुकोलम का. सोदुकोलम हाँ 7th एनिवर्सरी था कल.
इसीलिए उनके लिए सवाल स्ट्राइक होगा आपको.
Sodunkau. It's an amazing movie. I seen the film called Super Deluxe.
Yes.
नहीं देखा तो देख लीजिएगा. Super Deluxe. In the performance of Fahad Fasil and Vijay Sethupathi, it's available in Netflix.
Yes.
वो जब last year में जब it was one of the prospective film to be nominated for Oscars from India.
Oh my God. Right.
Yeah, उतना बढ़िया movie है वो. ये आप देख लीजिएगा. Yeah.
हाँ.
Super Deluxe because one of the positive movies and other with subtitles.
Yes.
So you can enjoy that. Yeah.
Okay. अभी देख मुझे.
Okay, आपको देखना. Heavy movies है ये सब देखना है.
Okay. Sure.
Heavy है.
Thank you sir.
Welcome.
So अभी मैं ओमकार सर को बुलाऊं. Man behind the event. Man behind the event. Oomkar sir.
Okay.
Yeah, man behind the event.
Look at his face.
Oomkar is a listener. Oomkar पूछो ना.
That's you got me perfectly. You have done many events, right?
Okay.
So, which one is your most memorable event?
No, sorry. Your voice got cracked. I missed your sentence.
You have done the events.
Yeah,
as in
yes. I've done anchoring for events. Yeah.
So, yes. So, which one of your most memorable event?
I was memorable. There were a lot of events. One of the event I'll say that I was live anchoring one launch of a channel in Mumbai. That was really interesting. Because it was like the crowd was a mix because it was in Mumbai. We have Malayalis, we had people who knows only Marathi, then you have Italians, we had people who knows only English. So we had a crowd. So the challenge was to entertain everybody, so that was pretty interesting. And another event where I was in London, I was handling all the concerts of there's a Indian fusion and karmic in London. So I was hosting all of the concerts there. So even those were pretty interesting because the crowd is pretty vibrant and from different geographies and nationalities. So you need to add that pinch of international flavor when you host. So that was a very good experience. If a song comes up before that, you introduce that song to the person. So introduction of an Indian song to an Indian, introduction of an Indian song to it is completely different, right? So I did a bit of homework and I tweeted the way in which I host for the international. That was really good. Yeah.
Very good. My next question is.
Hi, Ankit.
Yes.
Yes. Oomkar sir, please complete your question first. We will go back to Abhishek later on.
Yeah. What will be your top wish list to work with?
Wish list.
Sorry.
Top wish list.
No.
Wish list to work with.
First, Amitabh Bachchan साहब.
Oh.
यार बच्चन साहब के साथ एक फ्रेम में आना है मुझे. लिस्ट बहुत बड़ा है, बहुत बड़ा है. First Bachchan, second Kamal Haasan sir.
Okay.
Great.
Then definitely, I think you have almost talked about all the people with whom I wanted to work with. Vijay Sethupathi sir. R. Madhavan is on my list, so that is fulfilled.
Okay.
Yeah, there are a lot of people. Yeah, a lot of great artists with whom I wanted to work with. And I want Nawazuddin Siddiqui sir. A lot of people with whom I wanted to work with.
सर आपकी लिस्ट में साई पल्लवी जी है क्या?
क्या हुआ? I guess
bounce.
I'm very proper.
देखो मैं एक चीज बताऊं आपको, ये ना एक फिल्म क्रू में मिनिमम ऑन एन एवरेज 100 लोग होते हैं, ऑन एन एवरेज. Okay, let me tell you. Answering to the question. मैं जो देखता है ना तो मजा नहीं होता है शूट में. There'll be takes, there'll be retakes at this high temperature of the lights. It's not so fun in front of the lot of things which you see on screen of a real time shoot by. So I think I answered the question.
I think Abhishek had some relevant question about this answer. Look at his excitement.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi Ankit, who is your favorite co-star?
Oh, that's question actually.
No, till now co-star I'm yet to share screen with film actors because I've only completed 6 feature films, right? But in ads I have worked with many upcoming actors, or some of you are very already established in the series industry and all. When I think about it, the Ankita, her name Ankita, with whom I worked for that Diamond Council's advertisement. She was really a good co-star. Yeah, our chemistry was really working out. Then there's another actor called Shire, whom I have worked with. These are all very established, known faces in the Bollywood industry. Yeah, there are quite a bunch of good actors with whom I work with.
और एक क्वेश्चन,
but I'm yet to work with the so-called celebrity actors yet.
Celebrity.
और एक क्वेश्चन था कि मराठी इंडस्ट्री में आपको मींस
No. तो मराठी में ये देखा है अपना सायरा तो देखा है. Yeah, that I've seen.
Okay.
मराठी. My closest friend is Maharashtrian, name is Balkrishan Jan. So हम लोगों का will teach me Marathi and will teach Malayalam.
Okay.
Second वो मलयालम बोलना चल गया, but Marathi बोलना चल गया. I should have learned Marathi, ma'am. Yeah, it's a language. Yeah.
So.
Hello.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Nivita Prithviraj.
Who?
Nivita Prithviraj. Nivita Prithviraj.
Nivita.
Second, Ala Vaikunthapuram along with Allu Arjun.
Oh.
Actress
What's the heroine's name?
Nivita Prithviraj.
Which all films she has acted?
अभी लेटेस्ट आला वैकुंठपुरम, संगातो मिलियन.
Oh, Nivita Prithviraj.
पृथ्वीराज.
Oh, yeah, Prithviraj है.
Yes.
Nivita Prithviraj.
Oh, okay. Okay, I've seen her in Ala Vaikunthapuram. That's it. I've seen that movie. Otherwise, no, I need the movie of it. Why is the question? You like it very much? Huh?
That is the main.
That's good. Next time, if I get an opportunity to work,
Exactly.
if I get an opportunity to work with her, I'll definitely connect with you. Yeah.
That's the reason behind this, है ना?
Sir, in last interview.
Video call करवाता हूँ. हाँ.
I'm chatting with.
Sir, in last interview, answer. Yes. So last interview, you answered a lot of bouncers through our rapid fire round.
Okay.
Now one of our panelists is ready to shoot some rapid fire questions.
Oh my God. Okay.
So Adrisha, will you please guide that person?
Yeah.
Okay.
I would
So start with rapid round.
Okay. Sushant ji, आप start कर सकते हैं.
Yeah. For 2 options, you have to select one option.
Okay.
Gym or sleeping?
Gym.
Okay. मैं आपकी फेसबुक प्रोफाइल जस्ट चेक कर रहा था, तो मैंने देखा कि आप थिएटर में भी काम कर रहे हैं. सो थिएटर और फिल्म?
Film.
Why?
You can only ask questions. You don't
Yeah, wow.
Not enough.
Wow, that's great.
You can ask twice, यार. Rapid में वो नहीं चलता है.
That's actually a sixer.
Question: reading or watching movies?
Oh. Watching movies. Yeah.
Or
Madhavan.
Why?
I told you right.
You have to answer this question. Why? You have to answer this.
Because I spent more time with him. I was for rocketry in Mumbai. We were together for 5 days and Europe for 10 days. So we could interact a lot. And I saw him direct, managing the finances section, and in a lead role, guiding us as a mentor, teaching us everything together in one person. Huge respect for him. That's the reason I said Madhavan. I mean, Sir case, maybe I'm not, because he's an actor, producer, right? But Madhavan sir, I've seen, maybe because I've got more time. He was handling his lead, और इतना everyday dialogues है, वो 3 language में बोलना है, and he's directing that movie. He's to ensure that the shot is being shot at the right way. Third, he's one of the producer. He need to keep a check on the production, the finances, and overall supervision. He was the boss. So that's the reason. So I've seen him that multiple personality. So that's the reason. I think I answered it.
Next
SRK ke sath I got 1 day to interact, right? So I have seen him as a mega star, and I was dumbstruck on that day, keeping my mom watching me like, so yeah, in depth mein bata nahi hai. So that's the reason.
Okay. Next question. Some silly questions are there. Vada pav or idli?
Idli, anytime.
Honest.
Healthy. Yeah.
वो first question से.
Tollywood or
Bollywood?
Tollywood.
Okay.
Wow, that's very honest.
Facebook or Instagram?
Insta.
इतना सोचना पड़ रहा है. फायदा तो मार्क को होने वाला है.
हाँ.
फायदा तो आखिर में मार्क जुबरबर्ग को ही होने वाला है.
Still, yeah.
Okay. So.
That question was narrow. Bollywood और Tollywood वो बहुत narrow margin है. एक ही answer दे सकते, इसलिए मैंने Tollywood बोला. Otherwise both answer है. Both. I cannot exactly say Tollywood because I've associated films more with Tollywood, so that's the reason I said Tollywood. Based on my experience, I'm answering rapid fire. But if you ask me, keeping the future in mind, then थोड़ा सा हो सकता है. Yeah.
Okay. I'm done with rapid fire.
Okay. So.
Okay. Cool.
Hi Ankit sir. You said your favorite idli. So my mother has made idli for today. So come to my home.
यार मेरे लिए 2 इडली ज़्यादा खा लेना.
Yeah, sure.
Exactly. वो सर के एक्चुअली फॉर आंसर से ही पता चल गया था. सर से पूछा गया था जिम या स्लीपिंग, तो सर बोला था जिम. तो वो हेल्दी इडली, मतलब वो आंसर उसी से रेफर कर रहा था.
बड़ा वो पसंद है, बड़ा यार वो डीप फ्राइड है. हेल्दी नहीं है इसलिए सॉरी यार.
कोई बात नहीं. आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, मैं 1 साल रही थी और सिर्फ एक बार बड़ा हुई.
That's good.
Okay, thank you so much sir for your response. Thank you so much. क्योंकि टाइम भी ऑफ होने वाला है. We are running short of time.
It's my absolute pleasure to come again in front of you and answering questions, and I really appreciate everybody. So we have been working away from them, joining back, and it has been an amazing experience. And I'm so happy to be along today, and always good memories interacting with you guys, and all the various each one for your endeavors. And you can directly message me for anything, and I am all game for collaborating with you guys. It's about photography and any such interesting time. All game for it.
Thank you so much, everyone.
All the best to you for your future projects.
Thank you. And thanks to Prachedan and Aditi. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sushant, for creative fire.
So good night, everyone.
Story. He will.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay. Good night, everyone.
Good night, everybody. Thanks, Omkar.